Good morning. So maybe I need to put water in it. I have the worst. I have the worst hiccups. Y'all like my drumming skills? Running a little bit behind schedule. I sat on my couch for 30 minutes with the hiccups, just trying to get rid of them so I could at least take a sip of my coffee. They were so painful and they were distracting me, so I wasn't really reading my Bible. And then I looked at the time and it was 5:40 and we had to get ready. We're just not off to a good start. Here's the church fit. I feel very It's kind of giving that girl from Gossip Girl. What's her name? Blair? Guys, it looks like the zombie apocalypse out here. I'm afraid. Why is it so gloomy and... Oh, it's raining. Oh, this is bad.